You ready for the Boston dialect? All right, let's get into it. My guest today, Wyatt. How are you?
Let's get started.
Resonance. As you know, the standard American English resonance is right in the middle of the mouth. If you put your fingers on each cheek and push in between the teeth, that's where it is. Now for the Boston resonance,
Is way up and back in the throat. It's not nasal like Chicago and New York. The tongue's way back up there too. If you want to do a character, you muffle the sound. You close your lips while you talk and play around with it.
pitch and inflection.
It's easy with the Boston dialect. You just elongate the syllables when you want to emphasize something. Or you lower or raise the volume depending on what you're talking about.
Vowels. The OR sound, as in door, goes to
Oh, I opened the door because there was a beautiful girl over there.
the aw sound goes to the ah sound. Like Boston, cloth, laundry go to
Boston. I'm from Boston. Cloth. Laundry. Also. What, you want me thinking more?
the only time the ah sound goes nasal, as it does in Chicago and New York, but not like French, is when it's followed by an M or N, like bond or Tom become
Tom. We bonded. Remember?
the ow sound is unique in Boston. It goes to the O sound, like pound and sound go to
Pound. Sound. It's a pretty good sound you got there. This is the only time you bring the lips forward in Boston. Pound. Sound.
the R drop. When we drop the R, we get a harsh sound.
Remember, don't go New York on this one. Keep the tongue way back up there. Mother. Mother. That's my mother. That's my father. That's my brother.
If the words ending in R are followed by a word that starts with a vowel, we keep the R. For example, the car in stays at
Car in. I drove the car in the garage.
Sometimes we throw in an R at the end of a word if it's followed by another word that starts with a vowel. For example,
I saw it. R sneaks in there. I saw it. I saw it on the big screen.
there it is, the Boston resonance. Have at it, and remember, it's all about repetition. At first, if you get frustrated and think, oh, it's never going to work, it doesn't feel right, keep doing it. Eventually that muscle memory kicks in, and all along, if the resonance hasn't been getting to that spot and you're thinking, I don't sound like I'm from Boston, keep doing it. Because when it does happen, it feels awesome. And then you can go up on stage in front of a camera, stand-up comedy, improv.
Like the video, make a comment.
One more thing. David Allen Stern. Listen to his CDs or download his stuff on the internet. He's great. He helped me so much. The link's down there. Thanks for joining us.
It's been a pleasure. Go out there and learn the Boston dialect.